Hey guys, today we're going to talk about a tough situation that many business owners might face. What to do if your sales are down and you cannot afford to pay your rent. Plus, what steps to take when your landlord starts chasing you for overdue rent. First and foremost, review your tenancy agreement thoroughly. Your tenancy agreement might have specific provisions that could offer some relief or options. Look for clauses on rent abatement, early termination, or subletting. Although in Singapore, it is very unusual or probably impossible to find a tenancy agreement that contains such clauses. Sometimes there might be a force majeure clause that could apply if your sales drop was due to unforeseen circumstances, like a pandemic. Next, communicate with your landlord as early as possible. Transparency is key. Explain your financial situation. Provide evidence of your financial difficulties. Your landlord may prefer to rent out his premises to you rather than to go through the hassle and expense of eviction and having to find a new tenant. You can negotiate for a temporary rent reduction, a deferral, or a payment plan. If allowed by your tenancy agreement, consider subletting part or all of your space. This can help generate some income to cover your rental. Just make sure that any subletting agreement is compliant with the original lease. That means this is your tenancy agreement, and if there's a subletting agreement, make sure that all the clauses are mirrored and that the subtenant is bound by all the terms in your tenancy agreement. And also make sure that the sublease is approved by the landlord. Another thing that you can do is to check if there are any government assistance programs available for businesses in your type of situation. During economic downturns or crisis, governments often provide grants, low interest loans, or other kinds of financial support to help small business tide over the difficult period. These can provide temporary relief and help you manage your rental obligations. But sometimes, despite your best efforts, negotiations with your landlord might not go as planned. So in such cases, seeking legal advice is crucial. A lawyer can help you understand your rights and obligations and might even assist in mediation between you and your landlord to find a mutually agreeable solution. If your financial issues are more deep-seated, you might need to consider restructuring your business. And this could involve downsizing, changing your business model, or even filing for bankruptcy protection if necessary. Now, while that is a last resort, it can sometimes provide you with the breathing room you need to get back on your feet. Remember, you are not alone, and there are steps you can take to manage your rent situation when sales are down. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.